MIT researchers have developed a way to rapidly update imagery on object surfaces. The system dubbed Chromo Update pairs an ultraviolet UV light projector with items coated in light-activated dye. The projected light alters the reflective properties of the dye, creating colorful new images in just a few minutes. The advance could accelerate product development, enabling product designers to churn through prototypes without getting bogged down with painting or printing. Chromo Update builds on the researchers' previous programmable matter system called Photochromeleon. That method was the first to show that we can have high-resolution multicolor textures that we can just reprogram over and over again, says the researcher Wesley. Photochromeleon used a lacquer-like ink comprising cyan, magenta, and yellow dyes. The user covered an object with a layer of the ink, which could then be reprogrammed using light. First, UV light from an LED was shown on the ink, fully saturating the dyes. Next, the dyes were selectively desaturated with a visible light projector, bringing each pixel to its desired color and leaving behind the final image. Photochromeleon was innovative, but it was sluggish. It took about 20 minutes to update an image. The researchers accelerated the process with Chromo Update by fine-tuning the UV saturation process. Rather than using an LED which uniformly blasts the entire surface, Chromo Update uses a UV projector that can vary light levels across the surface, so the operator has pixel-level control over saturation levels. That saves time. Someone designing a car's exterior might simply want to add racing stripes to an otherwise completed design. Chromo Update lets them do just that without erasing and reprojecting the entire exterior. This selective saturation procedure allows designers to create a black and white preview of a design in seconds or a full color prototype in minutes. That means they could try out dozens of designs in a single work session, a previously unattainable feat. That speed also means Chromo Update could be used for providing real-time notifications without relying on screens. One example is your coffee mug, says Wesley. You put your mug in this projector system and program it to show your daily schedule, and it updates itself directly when a new meeting comes in for that day, or it shows you the weather forecast. Wesley hopes to keep improving the technology. At present, the light-activated ink is specialized for smooth, rigid surfaces like mugs, phone cases, or cars. But the researchers are working toward flexible, programmable textiles.